Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this podcast, I'm going to explain about 33rd aphorism and footnote. So in accordance with the fact, it is undeniably shown by all experience that the living human organism is much more disposed and has a greater liability to be acted on and to have his health deranged by medicinal powers. Again, it's being discussed since 2 or 3 aphorisms previously that medicines do possess a greater power to act on human beings, in fact all the human beings, than that of with the natural diseases, and than by morbific noxious agents and infectious miasms, or in other words that the morbific noxious agents possess a power of morbidly deranging man's health that is subordinate and conditional. That means that is susceptible, and wherein the natural disease can only act when the vital force is subordinate or say susceptible, often very conditional, where all the conditions need to be favoring, then only the morbific agent can act, whilst medicinal agents have an absolute unconditional power greatly superior to the former. So the proper explanation for this statement is given in the footnote. A striking fact in corroboration of this is that whilst previously to the year 1801, when the smooth scarlatina of Sydenham still occasionally prevailed epidemically among children, it attacked everyone without exception who has escaped in the previous or say former epidemic. But in a similar epidemic which he witnessed, that means I means here Hahnemann, in Koningslutter, on the contrary, all the children who took in time a very small dose of belladonna remained unaffected by this highly infectious infantile disease. If medicines can protect from a disease that is raging around, they must possess a vastly superior power of affecting our vital force. So this is one of that example where how a preventive medicine can actually save us from really deadly diseases. So this is an instance which again proves that medicinal effect is really greater than that of the disease effect, and that is one of the reason that medicine is capable of removing disease from the person suffering with disease. So that brings me to the end of this podcast. Hope this podcast was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till then, bye and have a good day. Bye.